Joe's tired, huh? Come here, Joe. Well, that was my first actual impact with the Grizzly. That's a pretty decent tree. I mean, it's not like, obviously not very rigid, but still I hit it with the Grizzly and we didn't have any issues. So, looks good to me. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that montage. If you're wondering where I got that amazing looking billet aluminum Grizzly shifter, AD clutching, performance clutches. They're out of Canada. Check out their website. It'll be linked down in the description. They were nice enough to send me this so I can put it on and show you guys how nice it looks. Right off the bat, I'll say I believe this is going to be more of a cosmetic thing, for sure. I mean, it's pretty comfortable, but not the most comfortable. Functionality, obviously your factory shifter is as good as it gets. But you got a good-looking Grizzly already, so what better way to upgrade it than to make it look even better? Man, let's get right into it. Grizzly's been sitting a few days. You can see we're at 486 miles already, though. And I actually did take it in the mud a little bit. Couldn't help it. Went by the power line, saw a mud hole, went in it, really soft, nasty bottom, grass. Gross. Oh! Me. What I was trying to say is Vessel Power Sports, they sell everything you ever need for a Honda four-wheeler. They're actually sending me out some products to install on the Rubicon. So I will be glad to make videos installing those products, showing them off. But I do have a code to save you guys 5% on products at checkout for your Honda. They have pretty much everything you can imagine for any Honda. I mean, I'm talking everything. You just have to check the website out. Use code JMT05 at checkout. You'll get 5% off. So, anyways, check them out. You'll be pleased with the products. They have everything you can ever imagine. The link to that will be down in the description. Same as AD clutching. They will be in the description as well. They sell, you know, obviously clutching, clutch kits, whatever. Anything you'd ever need for any Yamaha for sure, even side-by-sides. I mean, any Yamaha product, he's got you covered. So, definitely check him out. Anyways, let's get into putting the shifter on. We're not going to make this, we're not going to make this take all day. Tool trailer review coming soon. Posted a short, and some people were actually sound like they're interested. Drop the ramp. Disrespect. First time I ever dropped my ramp. Oh, God. I better clean that up from a job yesterday. Anyways, what do we need? We need our... Oh, yeah. Also need our antique tripod. We will just get right on into this here. Focus, you pile of garbage iPhone 15 Pro Max scam. I just pop this out. Super simple. Comes right out. Looks like... I have no idea what I'm looking at. Oh, that's it. That's literally what holds this on. That and probably some glue. Well, boy, that's easy. Okay. So now you're just going to give this thing all the ugga-duggas without breaking your shifter. Oh, I think I'll leave it like that. I like that a lot. He's a Canadian, so probably metric. Gonna be a 2.5. So slide it on out, look like that. Right there. We will put our custom Grizzly shifter on. Boys. There you guys have it. Custom Grizzly shifter. Let's see how it feels. Time for some real world reviews. Sticker sure does make a nice addition in the shed.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
It's an evil world we live in.
Time to give it the honest feel. That's not bad. One's like high, neutral, reverse. Park, it feels a little awkward to grab. But like I said, this is definitely a cosmetic thing. you're not doing this to be comfortable or better than your stock shifter. But looks-wise, that is pretty dang sweet. Grizzly. It's not bad. Like, going forward, you're just going to be using the back of your hand anyway, mainly. Then pulling it back, like the 3 fingers is work the best for me. Forward, 3 fingers. It's just, yeah. Oh, yeah. Like, high and reverse with your 2 mains. Yeah, nothing wrong with that at all. It'll tell you if a product is junk. Yeah, I bought some rival skid plates for the Rubicon. Complete garbage. Now, Rhino USA sent me a tow strap, a kinetic rope, 1.25 inches by 30. Really appreciate it. Very expensive. But I'm also honest, their rope is awesome, and I'll show you that video now of how that review went. God, that really just sends me over the edge. The only reason I hurt my thumb is because I'm trying to pull this out, and God, tailgate on this truck doesn't open. So, excuse me, I had to put the phone down and give this thing the wrestling of its life. That just pisses me off. Fucking anal beads inside this bag. Oh, look at that, a whole other thing. What the right? Holy. Alright, let's see how we get the bag. That shit. Yeah, just anyway. Their bag's definitely one-time use for shipping. Complete pile of put this big old flop demon in the toolbox. So yeah, you see I had a little temper tantrum. I mean, it wasn't the rope's fault, but the rope did great. I actually really impressed. But their bag, you know, I imagine, I guess that's just for shipping, which doesn't make sense. Why you'd send it in a bag that's so worthless? Why are you wasting products in the world? You're wasting energy and resources making a bag. Like, the rope is good quality, but the carrying bag was so worthless, you can't even get it back in the bag without ripping it. So, see, I'm honest. I don't care if they send it to me or not. I'm going to be 100% honest. I actually really enjoy the Rhino USA products, though. Like, they do make good stuff. But little stuff like that, I'll be honest, you know, hey, the bag is garbage, it sucks. Roto Packs, I'm not sponsored by that. This was a very good purchase for carrying water. It's not for water, fuel. Anyways, their deluxe mount, I love this. This was not sponsored, but hey, I'm honest. It wasn't given to me, and I'm still honest. The Grizzly, I'll be 100% honest. A lot of stuff left to be desired. Rubicon, awesome in every way, better than the Grizzly in every way except for power steering and power. So, I'll be honest with my sponsors, but if anybody wants to send me anything else, go ahead if you dare, because I'm going to be honest, and I'll beat you to death on everything. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing off this here awesome billet aluminum Grizzly custom shifter. Gorgeous. Wowzers. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2029. Like, I'm serious. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.